Hey guys, my name is Kirill, and I'm here to teach you how to speak like American. I'm an experienced tutor with linguistic background, and I've been working that business for about 7 years now, and already received a lot of positive feedbacks from my students. You can check it out in my profile. You're watching this because most probably you're trying to reduce your accent, get that confidence, enhance your vocabulary, and finally start speaking, right? Or maybe you're trying to get ready for a job interview or test like TOEFL or IELTS. Maybe simply get a business English course. Anyway, well, you've reached the right destination because I'm here to teach you how to achieve your goals and guide you through the challenges. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, let it be China, Russia, Ukraine, Brazil, maybe some other European country. Well, we're all trying to get the same goal, right? So you reached the right spot. My class is usually really fun, informative, and super effective. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Book a class and see you tomorrow. Cheers.